Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty
Sometimes I put my faith in people, but there really ain't no equal. Oh, no, never messing when it don't change. The same one day after Sunday, even at a young age. You've been holding me the whole way, Let me sit back cause it's your show, but I'ma sit up in the front row. Don't gotta tell you, you already know. Yes, you lonely. Create the sun and the moon, hold it all down. You always prove that only you can do the things you do. You breathe life and made me know. My worst days you bring me through. Only you. The sun and the moon, hold it all down. You always prove that only you can do the things you do. You breathe life and made me know. My worst days you bring me through. Only you.
Nothing feels better than to know you, and nothing's more important than to show you that nothing comes close to what the vibe is. Nothing's more exciting than the time spent with you. No one but you can love me true. How you love me when you love me and you tell me everything is gonna be alright. Yeah, and you mean the world to me. You are my everything, and I never ever wanna know what it's like without you. I wanna wake up to you every day. I think I feel like this forever, as long as we're together. Wanna know you each and every way. I promise to be honest when I speak to you. Wanna put you at the top of my list. Wanna walk it like I talk it. Wanna give you everything. Please tell me that you're rocking with this. You know all the ways to speak to me. I like it when it's just us talking, and you don't hold it against me. That you don't really need me for nothing, but I need you for everything. And when I'm honest with you, telling you my issues, you keep it up with you every time I kick it with you. It's no games, no games. Oh, don't change, cause you mean the world to me. You are my everything, and I never ever wanna know what it's like without you. I wanna wake up to you every day. I think I feel like way. I promise to be honest when I speak to you. Wanna put you at the top of my list. Wanna walk it like I talk it. Wanna give you everything. Please tell me that you're rocking with this. You know all the ways to speak to me. I wanna wake up to you every day. I think I feel like this forever. As long as we're together. Wanna know you each and every way. I promise to be honest when I speak to you. Wanna put you at the top of my list. Wanna walk it like I talk it. Wanna give you everything. Please tell me that you're rocking with this. You know all the ways to speak to me.
I don't wanna wait for the moonlight. I don't wanna wait for the moonlight, yeah. So I'm riding all the way right back to you, yeah, yeah. I wanna see the day when you stood right there. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you.
I stay anxious for nothing, but I don't wanna wait till there's nothing left. I don't wanna stay here and be left behind. I wanna make it. I stay busy thinking about you. I'm focused on following you, 'cause you said you're coming soon. Coming like a thief in the night, yeah, yeah. You turn the relief into light, yeah, yeah. I look at how you paid the price when you gave your life so I could have mine. So I'ma do what you say, and I pray I can walk in your ways. I'm so grateful for you and your grace. God forbid I ever trip and be led astray. No way.
I don't wanna wait for the moonlight, yeah. So I'm riding all the way right back to you, yeah, yeah. I wanna see the day when you stood right there. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you. I've been getting tired of this old place. Make me wanna go back to my old ways, no. Sin that put me down until the Lord came. Focus on the Lord until the Lord's day. I don't wanna wait until the moonlight, yeah. Suffered and he died is for this new life. Looking for the light, running from the darkness. It wasn't for me, no, sin wasn't for me. I wanna be holy, but it wasn't for free. Gave his life for me, gave his life for me, and we should be thinking it over. Got my cup running over. Stay focused on the moonlight. Don't lose focus, just hold tight. I don't wanna wait for the moonlight, yeah. So I'm riding all the way right back to you, yeah, yeah. I wanna see the day when you stood right there. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you. I really wanna be. I don't wanna wait for the moonlight, yeah.
Yes, it's chai. Oh, look at the view. The view. Oh my god. Yeah.
You used to wipe your shoes.
Please don't let it come to my soul, my soul. Cause I slipped up and gave all I had. My strength that I left in the past. I ignore your signs, I was just mad. I wasted my time, that's my bad. Ooh, please don't let it come to my soul. So I'll keep dreaming, need your strength. I just wanna hope again. I'll keep dreaming, I just need your strength. I just wanna hope again. I'll keep dreaming, need your strength. I just wanna hope again. I'll keep dreaming, I just need your strength. I just wanna hope again.
welcome you to IITA Ibadan campus store.
Thank you very much.
I make a story about what we
For
have.
what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow. It's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working, only working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no. Oh, he's working me and molding me, who he wants me to be.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence. Leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection in through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goalie, never lonely. Got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
And please
I was
water.
down, but I'm back
Yes.
up now. Took a while,
Yum, yum,
just
yum, yum,
focused
yum.
on the clouds didn't doubt that you would pull me out. I still had faith on my rainy days. I just prayed and you were always there. Through it all, you always cared. You sent your back up when I had my back up to the wall. It was bad, but I knew you would answer when I called. I got too close to being too far away before, but you held me close and then you opened up every door. You would remind me all things will work out for my good. All things.
Hi guys. Good morning. Oh my god, this place is so pretty. I wish I could stay here like every single day. Like, let me show you guys. Can you see my morning view? Can you see that? And like, I'm breathing fine because there's fresh air, complete fresh air. IITA is such a beautiful place, and I'm definitely coming back. I know my stay here is so short this time, but I'm definitely coming back. By God's grace, I'll come and stay 5 days because like, you need to be around this at least once in a while. So I just had my bath. I'm about to head out. I want to take a walk with my friends, then go for breakfast because breakfast is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. So at least by 7:45 ish we're already at breakfast. That at least we can eat and, you know, be done. Then yeah, that's on my day, and this is my outfit for this morning. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying this my vlog. My very, very short vlog. But yeah, IITA is such a beautiful place to be at. That is for sure. That is for sure.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I miss getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh wow. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. What was it like? The moment that you spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life. Was it beautiful when you saw everything you made? And it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I see you, the more on and on, I can't help but feel this way. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah.
I'm freaking out about the way you love me, even when I do wrong. I know that you're always thinking of me. Gotta put it in a song. Your love is perfect, I have nothing to fear. You can be security, yeah. You're so loyal that I never have to worry.